Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule walks in Norton 360 on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Norton app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, you will see the home screen. On iPhone, Norton 360 works differently than on a computer. Apple does not allow antivirus app to scan files or run scans on a schedule. So manually or scheduled file scans are not available on iPhone, but don't worry, Norton 360 still protects your phone automatically. Tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. Norton 360 automatically checks your iPhones for security risks, unsafe network connections, web threats, and device safety settings. These checks happens in the background without you needing to schedule anything. While you are on the menu, tap on device security. Here Norton shows your current security status. If everything is safe, you will see a message saying your device is protected. This means Norton is already doing its job automatically. And that's it. Now you know how scan schedule works in Norton 360 on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.